we are going to continue to work on division because it is so very challenging. With our little phrase, though, we should do just fine. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? The steps stand for divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. All right, we can't do 5 divided by 6, but we can do 56 divided by 6. Now, let's see if we can figure out what that answer would be. 6 times 5 is 30. That's way too low. 6 times 6 is 36. We're getting closer. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. That's pretty close. 6 times 10 is 60. That's too high. Okay, we're going to use 9. 6 times 9 is 54. Now we subtract. 56 minus 54 is 2. Our next step is to check. Is 2 less than 6? Absolutely. That tells us that we did this division part up here correctly. Next, there's nothing left to bring down, so we bring up this number as a remainder. Our answer is 9 with a remainder of 2. 9 with 2 left over. To write it as a mixed number, we write 9 and we use the remainder and this number. Kind of picture what it looks like. It almost kind of looks like it's a fraction because this could kind of be like that fraction bar. So we write it as 9 and 2/6. Just like that. Let's try the next problem. Don't forget the phrase that helps you out. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. Let's take 49 divided by 8. Now, from doing this problem, I remember that 8 times 6 is 48, and that's really close. I don't think I could possibly get any closer. In fact, I know I can't because 8 times 7 is 56, and that's too high. So we're going to go with 6. This problem helped me out. The next step is to multiply. 8 times 6 is 48. Now we subtract. 49 minus 48 is 1. Then we check, is 1 less than 8? And it is. That tells me that I divided correctly. There's nothing to bring down, so we bring this up as a remainder. And we have 6 remainder 1. To write it as a mixed number, we use this whole number 6, and then we use this remainder, and we write it like this. 6 and 1/8. Do you see how it kind of looks like it's written like a fraction? It kind of looks like it's a fraction right here, right? So it's easy to remember that that's 1/8. All right, we're going to do one more, and then you can do the rest on your own. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Our first step is to divide. 17 divided by 3. This is a pretty easy one because the number's a little bit smaller. I know that it's going to be 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. 2 is definitely less than 3. Nothing to bring down. We bring this up as a remainder. And when we want to write it as a mixed number, we use those numbers for our fraction. And our mixed number is 5 and 2/3. Good luck with the rest of the problems. I know that you will do a fantastic job. Division is fun.